Hello. Let's learn about the Maya civilization. The Maya lived in Central America. They lived in places we now call Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, and Honduras. The Maya started more than 3,000 years ago. They lived in small villages first. Later, they built big cities. Some cities had temples, palaces, and ball courts. The Maya people were good farmers. They grew corn, beans, chili, and squash. They used stone tools and worked very hard. Corn was their most important food. The Maya also built strong homes. Many houses were made from stone, wood, and mud. The roofs were made of leaves. The Maya believed in many gods. They had gods of the sun, rain, corn, and more. They built tall temples for their gods. People gave food and gifts at the temples. Sometimes they gave animals or even people as sacrifices. The Maya had their own writing. They used pictures and symbols. This writing is called glyphs. They wrote on stone walls and paper made from trees. They also had their own numbers. The Maya used dots and lines to count. They knew about the stars, the sun, and the moon. They made calendars to watch time. One Maya calendar was very long and very accurate. The Maya were smart builders. They built pyramids, roads, and canals. They used no metal tools. They had no wheels, but they still built great cities. One famous city was Tikal. Another was Chichen Itza. These cities had temples, plazas, and many people. Each city had its own king. The king was also a priest and a leader. The Maya played a ball game. The ball was heavy and made of rubber. Players used their hips to move the ball. It was hard and fast. Sometimes the game had a special meaning for the gods. The Maya had artists and musicians. They made music with drums, flutes, and shells. They painted walls and made carvings in stone. They also made pottery and jewelry. But the Maya civilization started to fall. Many cities were empty after 900 AD. We don't know exactly why. Maybe there was war, hunger, or drought. But the Maya people did not disappear. Even today, millions of Maya people still live in Central America. They speak Maya languages. They wear traditional clothes. They still cook, farm, and keep their old ways alive. The Maya gave the world writing, calendars, buildings, and ideas. They were one of the most amazing ancient civilizations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and write a comment. See you next time.